I know that they had bounced back and forth about maybe for utility.
Right.
Then I'll come back and do a setup for you if you want, you know, if you are going to use it for utility purposes. This and or yours, you know, which has that system on it.
Well,
that
we
you
are
do now.
going to dig some storm pipe out here. They put it in the model.
Okay, gotcha.
So what does he need to know for that then, to do the utility?
So if you come here to a horizontal offset, I don't know if we got anything in this or not. And I don't know how well that's going
I
to
think
work
the blue
for you.
lines
Yeah.
were the pipe, right? John, that we looked on the model yesterday. Will the structure note show up on this, like they do on the tablet?
Yeah, you have text layering.
Right.
So right
okay.
here we got RCP, 24-inch RCP, that purple line. Oh, we don't have any choices on that. Maybe in this menu. Not the layout itself. No, you're going to want it light. Are there any overlays in here? Nothing there. It's going to help you. We can do this now if it comes to that point and you actually are in trench. So if we do that, what you end up with is a bucket position out on that screen, which helps on that screen. Gets rid of the rest of the graphics. I mean, that's about it. Done with that.
So you toggle that off for your trench, or it takes
if you want to. Yeah,
the machine off just makes it
exactly. Just cut you down from the dog bone down, so that you're just focused on the bucket. No, I do not. Something we may want to look at, all depending, and I can talk to Ron about this and them if you want to, is the shading feature here.
Yeah.
You know, when you come out in the open, sure, you don't have a problem. Well, assuming that's pipe, right? CPC. I don't know about you, but I couldn't follow that if I had to.
No, it's not.
Should you use more dark lines instead of the white lines?
Well, see if I switch these over. Come on.
So you can't see it at all.
Yeah, that doesn't even help.
Come on.
And once we get our
wait a
machine,
minute.
will we have this same display?
No, it's just like
It
those.
looks just like
Like
those.
those.
All right, okay.
So we might need to clean that up. Let's see if we actually do choose it. Let's go with a 5 foot. All right, select an alignment. That one?
I guess it's that one.
No.
No, that's a contour. Kind of hard to tell which one's what.
Contouring. All right. Has this got a water service? Oh. Is that her?
Yeah, probably so.
Let's see what it's going to.
Goes and it stops.
Is that some choppiness in the model, that dark area?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I get that every once in a while.
See it? You see a little break right there, a little bit of shade, something goofy here. I am assuming there is a drainage inlet right there or something, maybe.
Yeah.
In that little return. So here's another one.
Right.
Okay, so if that's the case, surely she ain't dead ending right there, is it? Yeah, help yourself get comfortable with it.
Yeah, that's it.
See anything that,
Yeah. Starts over here somewhere. So yeah, that's
It's almost, is that it?
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, but it runs up and over, I believe.
What's that? That's the pipe?
No,
Spoon pipe?
yeah,
It's double-sided, isn't it?
Yeah,
That's both
yeah,
sides
yeah.
of the pipe.
that's what it is.
Well, that's
Yes.
a pain in the ass.
Mm-hmm.
Because now you don't have a center. That's the graphics from the engineer. Both sides without the fill. So now
you'll
you get.
have to cut on either the right side or the left side, depending on which side you pick of those lines. So if
Which
you pick
if-
the left line, you'll have to dig on the right side of it.
So if we did that and it were 18-inch,
Pipe split it in half, it'll offset to one side.
exactly.
Mhm.
You got it.
Yep.
How do we
like
do that?
our-
What's that? 0.75. Yeah, you'd almost have to treat it like that. So
Yeah,
0.75.
like you're offsetting for the curve machine. Just offset it back one little bit. That way you know you get it cut all the way through.
So I'm going to close that.
Yeah, you gotta know what you're dealing with.
So if we come to our menu and you got the horizontal offset, all right, well, let's just use that. Let's just do, 9-inch. Then you have select your alignment. Now, where are you at? You purple and purple. So let's say it's that one. It's one of them anyhow. Selected.
Offset.
That is to the right, and apply. Now let's see how our graphics go. Oh, whoa, whoa. You know what? Let's get off of that. So there's your highlight.
Red line.
Come on over. I can't tell what the hell is a damn pipe or not.
Yeah, it's pretty much running parallel. Should be able to get to a structure
Then is this
at some
our-
point.
Parallel side?
Pinch it down and see if it goes to there's a drop inlet down.
Yeah, that's
Or
we
up.
were looking down at the little return here, and it like dead end.
We'll keep them going straight, so that's not it.
What are the purple marks? Are those the
I've got no
structure
layer management for overlays.
inverts? Yeah, see there's the structure inverts, and then its points over there. There's the structures right there.
Yep, just pinches in. I see. I don't
There it
see.
is.
That's where we were looking at. It's that structure is causing that goofy grading behind it. Where the hell is our contour? Those are not
P1
oh, wait a
is
minute.
that the structure name? TI. It should be DI maybe is what they meant to say.
Yeah, perhaps. Tell you what the easiest thing to do is create you a background that has nothing but pipe work.
Mhm.
Get rid of the damn contouring, the curbing, and
That way
everything.
you don't push a button and like say you're over here and you're
Yeah,
back.
and end up on the damn face of the curb or something that. So yeah. And that's nothing.
Yeah.
I mean that's just exporting a. So deselect it.
So that's something I could get either Jay McGregor or Ron to make a file.
Yeah, because it would just be the CAD.
Just do the pipe
Just
only.
do the pipe only. Yeah.
Pipe
That way
only.
you don't have to worry about.
Design file, pipe only, and then we can add it to the machine and
And all you do is go to it.
yeah,
Pull it down.
it's just another model. Okay.
Yeah, just like you're doing in the tablet. That way you clean the whole screen up and you're looking at.
All right, so you just the pipe, and you'll see the structures. You'll see it. And once we get our 323 back, then you'll be looking at what we've been looking at on the rover, which
Yeah.
has,
Which is much cleaner. Yes.
I mean, this will hit eventually, and everybody will
Aren't
be
you
all
getting
excited
that
about it.
Oh yeah.
Think about these.
Oh, not apply. I don't want any line. I got the line done. So when you hit that and you come in here for selecting, right? And if you've got it, let's just pick that one, select it, and apply it. Okay, or highlight, right? When we're done with it, we're going to come in here and deselect what is selected. alignment, deselect. That's it.
Now, what's going on here? Is this just the edge of the model?
Yes, it's surface shading.
Yeah. See, there's your drop inlet right there. That's the information. There's your index
Yeah, we
and
can't.
all that.
I don't see.
And it goes over to. It's pointing to it, so it's
So
apparently
there's
right
another
there.
cluster of grading mishaps.
Yeah.
So she's sitting in there somewhere, and then this little.
On the tablet,
Hill was trying to-
it shows up as a little icon of a drop inlet, so you can kind of see it.
Yeah.
So once we get our machine back, depending on the fix.
And I don't know if I showed you that or not, but if you go looking through here,
Mm-hmm.
and you know, oh, let me look at that. Okay, well, just hit that, and it brings you back to yourself.
Right.
You know.
That's the return layer.
Did you find a
Now I
bolt
want to
for it?
go back to my.
I may have to send
Apply it.
So just for the grading, like when we start cutting that pond, John, you
Isn't there some in the trailer? Didn't we get a
And the.
John, you
Can't, it's
you
killing
got it for when we Come on and sit, yeah.
what did I see?
Aye, aye, aye.
Here, John, come on.
You can go.
Yeah, I don't want all circles. You goofy hands. I want it back to 0. Hello? Because if I cancel out of it,
It's still in there.
it's holding that. Now you don't have anything selected, so it doesn't matter.
Right.
But damn, it's
It won't.
held.
It won't let it zero back.
Go back to that again. So where do you get to there?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, for the function, back to setting. Come on.
So if you went and selected another line, it would still apply that
So
75
there's
to it.
our
Correct.
all set.
So
So
yeah.
what is that?
Just
It
switches
Oh,
to set.
left,
Yeah,
right.
yeah, left,
Oh, wow.
right align.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep.
Then you select alignment, and then you want to say 0.
Or hit your little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or deselect.
It's not.
You have to highlight it.
No, it's just a graphic.
It's the only thing you can do.
And then
Right?
you.
Yeah. Unselect.
Okay.
Select. Unselect.
Unselected.
Well, I want to apply zero back.
Go back to that one that said. I won't let you do it. Yeah, so
And we
let's
still got it in there.
you can play with it a little bit.
As long as it's not selected, it's not
Right.
applied. But
But if you select a line and then forget, well, not.
oh, yeah. See these presets that are in here.
Mm-hmm.
Careful of those if you hit those.
Yes.
That's on the other side. Sorry. Let's see. That doesn't give me options. That's just offer on or units. No, I'm not worried about that. Nothing there to help us. That's not, no, that's just, all the damn little you know, you get your little inquiry.
Mm-hmm.
I looked through this one. Oh, change your directions. Yes, we know that. Yada, yada, yada. Alignment must be selected before an offset is applied. Tap select. Okay, let's try that one. No other options, right? Select it.
Hold it. Yeah, see, that's not even turning blue.
Mm-mm.
And there's no drop down.
Both off.
Or you have to select it on there. Is that what they're saying?
See, it's searching for it. If you touch, you know, you can touch in the clear sometimes, just get rid of something.
Right.
Still there.
Yeah, if it's not blue, it will not let you do it.
Select none. None.
I don't want you to do it. From the line work or from the list. So you have to select it from the line work.
Yeah, if it's over there on that, I can select any line. I won't take it out, put it
Right.
doing it. Yeah.
Should you go over there and dig a little bit on that slope?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Can we set
Let
it up for
this
him to
go.
just to go on and
Okay.
So what would you want right now from the design elevation over on that pond? That's your finish, or we've got a cut? Or it should give him.
That's the whole side of that pond over there. Is
Okay,
nothing but
okay, so if you take this over here, it's going to tell you 2.3 feet cut, even on the slope.
And then
Do you
so
want to try it? Take it over there while everybody's here.
Yeah.
we're offset there. We want to offset the design surface. Did you say you want to offset or no? To
No,
finish?
no.
Oh, okay.
No, we want to go
Well,
to finish.
I tell you what. Do an offset of.
Like 3 inches for topsoil, or how much
I don't know
topsoil
what's the
you gonna?
topsoil? Or was it 4 inches, 6 inches?
Just say 4 for now. Let's-
3200. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 3.
So
yeah,
let's see how much this gives us. Oh well,
that'll work. Either one.
33. Is that what you said?
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay. All right. Now see the way that's offsetted.
Mm-hmm.
So now that we got that in there, maybe that'll.
So the dig line is the dash line.
See the difference?
Mm-hmm.
Screw you every time.
Yeah.
So he wants to be perpendicular.
Mm-hmm.
So you're following the slope and not like a. Yeah.
Now, of course, you want to be low because you're going to do topsoil respread, right?
Right. Yep. You're gonna be a minus.
Then apply.
Oh, yeah.
So now we've got that active.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. And your offset is there, but it doesn't really
It's
mean
dead.
it's
Yeah,
doing
right.
anything.
That's a dead. That's a.
Does it come up when you?
Oh, when you're pressing.
Yeah. So right now, yeah. So it stays at that
Kinda funny
0.75.
where,
You think you'd have a set 0? You go play a little bit. I'm going to try to make a phone call, see if anybody else has seen this stuck
yeah.
or how to get the hell out of it.
Mhm.
And 0 is technically a number, so why don't you accept that? you
Yeah.
know?
Right.
Right. Screw it. There you go. Won't do anything. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, I'll call while you
So
play.
right
That's
now it's
33
telling
in there.
you
Mm-hmm.
cut left, cut right.
This is all, so here's your bucket focus. See how it's to the right side, to the left side, and see your alignment axis. Now when we come over here, you'll really see it. Okay? Right tip, left tip,
Nice.
center.
So on a slope, you would want to be on the center.
Yeah, I mean, well, generally anything in a dig bucket, you're going to be on the
So you're
center.
gonna be a center. unless
If you had tilt bucket and
unless you
all
can
that.
tilt, yeah.
Yeah.
So the dash is where we are now, and your
No,
green is
dash.
finished.
The dash would be finished grade. The green is what you're.
A green is okay, so
So-
it's below the. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Which now is your working surface because you're 33 down.
Okay. And it's telling you right now that you would have to cut in the center 1.95 feet to get to your green.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
To design grade.
Oh, to design, or is that?
the 4 inches lower than
Yeah,
than
yeah,
design grade.
yeah. It's to
Right.
your green line.
Yep.
Right.
Because basically the design grade is the black line, and you can see where the bucket is versus the design.
Right.
And then we've added an extra 4 inches to it to get down for.
So
bring it
red.
back up.
So red, you're going to hell. Blue, you got to go to the sky.
Yep.
There you go. So those would be
see
blue
us,
down
you see
there.
us telling you go down. So.
Yeah. Go down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Get on
yeah,
down
that's
there.
kind of
Go down.
red. You're going to hell.
I get over there and
Wow.
do something.
Everybody gets. That's about right.
All right, man, fire this thing up. Go dig something now. Let's see it
Look at
work.
there, something else.
Go play.
I like it. Get the hell out of the way.
I wonder at the bottom of the
Put my phone down. Sorry, I almost